Hey guys, Shri here. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this soft smoky eye, which is a wearable kind of smoky eye which you can wear during day or night time. It is very easy to recreate this look and also beginner friendly. So let's get started. I have already primed my eyelids using my Smashbox Photo Finish Shadow Primer. Applying primer before going in with your shadows is very important to make your eye makeup stay on for a long time. And for today's look, I'm going to be using Morphe 35O palette, which is a beautiful warm shadow palette. First, I'm going in with this brown shadow all over my eyelid. I'm using a flat brush which is from Up and Up brand. I'm placing the shadow all over my eyelid. And next I'm going in with this another brown shadow to blend out the edges softly. I'm using Morphe 507 brush, which is my favorite blending brush. And next I'm going in with these two dark shadows on the outer part of my eyelid. I'm applying these two shadows using my Morphe M222 brush. Place the color on the outer V of your eyelid. Placing the dark color on the outer part of the eyelid gives depth to the look, and I'm trying to blend the shadow with the same brush. Then repeat the steps until you're happy with the blending and the intensity of the color payoff. And next I'm going in with my eye pencil, which is from Maybelline. I'm gonna apply this on my lash line. Then using a pencil brush which is already dipped in the dark shadows which I used earlier, I'm going to smudge the liner softly. And then using a flat brush, I'm going to apply the brown shadow which I used earlier on my eyelid on the lower lash line. And next, using the dark shadow with the same pencil brush, I'm going to smudge the shadow on the outer part of my lower lash line. And next I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Colossal Kajal on my waterline as well as my tight line. And next I'm going to apply mascara. I'm using my It Cosmetics Superhero mascara. You can use any mascara of your choice, but make sure that you use mascara, otherwise it doesn't look like a smoky eye. I'm gonna apply false lashes later, but of course you can leave it like this, it looks good too. And next, to highlight my inner corners and brow bone, I'm going in with this shadow from the same palette, and this is the finished look. As you guys saw, it's very simple and wearable, and at the same time, even if you're a beginner, you can definitely recreate this look. So if you try this look, don't forget to tag me on your social media. I would love to see your looks. And that completes this video, guys. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
We fell out of love like shooting stars, came crashing down.